Hiya guys, I'm back again, it's Jukebox Dave. To all my old friends, welcome back guys. To all you guys who are new to the channel, thanks for looking in on us guys. I hope it's all going well. All our love and respect to all you guys, wherever you are in the world. Well, today my friends, we've got a Sledgehammer. It's a Peter Gabriel song, done by Morgan James cover. That's what it says in the title, guys. And by the look of it, it's just Morgan James. She's usually, every other time I've seen her, been with Postmodern Jukebox. But apparently this is a song that she must have done on her own, I suppose. Oh, well. A new one on me. Peter Gabriel, well, I've actually heard Peter Gabriel many years ago. And I can remember his crazy video that went with this song. I really can. So I'll be really interested to see what Morgan James have done with it. It's going to be very intriguing, I'm sure. Okay guys, well, let's get into the music and see how it goes. No doubt. Anyway, I'm sure we'll be in for something special, especially with this lady singing. Anyway guys, I'm sure we really will be.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an aeroplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. Have a Big Dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. Yeah, the amusement never ends.
It's her voice, isn't it? It's just the rhythm and the beat they've got going on with the song. And now they're switching it in with Morgan's voice. It's sort of really catchy. It's absolutely fantastic so far, guys. It really is. And the young lady herself looks absolutely stunning. She really does. Okay, guys, let's carry on a bit further.
I wanna be your sledgehammer. Sledgehammer, yeah, this will be my testimony, yeah, 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 show me around your fruitcake, 'cause I will be your honeybee, yeah,
I don't know about you guys, but she's making me want to start dancing and grooving. It's brilliant so far, my friends. It really is. Just let's take it back and catch a bit of this again, because I thought it was absolutely sensational what she did with this bit here. Where have you gone, my friend? Oh, we'll try it from there, guys, anyway. I've only jumped it nearly all the way back, but we're not bothered. We're on here for the music.
Yeah, this will be my testimony. Yeah, 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 yeah. Show me around your fruitcake, 'cause I will be your fruitcake, yeah.
just a quick one, guys. I'm not going to pause for long, don't worry. I'm rather enjoying it myself. These young ladies behind are doing the harmonies and this. Ooh, absolutely great, aren't they? They're all doing their little bits, aren't they? It's absolutely fantastic, guys. Let's carry on with her.
Your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You sledgehammer. Yeah, I'll put your mind at rest. Why don't you? Sledgehammer. Yeah, this will be my testimony. There could be no doubt about it. Sledge. I kick the habit. Shed my skin. This is the new stuff. I go dancing in. Won't you show for me? And I will show for you. Won't you show for me? And I will show for you. Yeah. Oh, get deep in the rhythm. Yeah. I get deep in the rhythm. Yeah. Oh, feel that power. Yeah. I feel that power. Hey. Sledgehammer.
Absolutely fantastic, guys. I thought she was amazing, Morgan, in this. She really, really was, and I really do like what they've done with the song. Obviously, I think Peter Gabriel's video was a bit crazy and wild, and I think that's what really sold it to everybody when it were out in the charts at the time. But this version that she just did here, guys, were absolutely sensational. It really, really was. But she's another one of them artists, isn't she? She never fails to really impress you with her music. And from what some of you guys have told me in the comments, she's a pretty talented young lady who's been to the top music schools and everything to learn her profession. She really has, guys. And sensational. She really was. I really did enjoy that, guys. It was really, really good. And just a quick shout out to my old friend Joey. How you doing, Joey? I know you'd have enjoyed this one. Well, I hope you did, guys. And to my other friend, my highway friend, if you're looking in, I hope you enjoyed it as well, my friend. And to Dave G. And to everybody, all you guys anyway. You know you all are, you really do, guys. We sometimes talk a bit in the comments, don't we? Anyway, guys, that's about it for now, for this one. So, hopefully we'll all catch up again in the next video, guys. And I hope you're all doing well, my friends. I really, really do. So all I can say to you is all our love and respect, and God bless to all you guys, wherever you are in the world. And all look after yourself, guys. Till we catch up again soon. Okay, my friends, it's bye for now. Catch you all later. Jukebox Dave.
Know what you want, man.
No, listen, darling.